Oh fuck. Yo, chill, chill, chill. I'm gonna turn myself in. That's why I killed one of y'all bitch ass niggas, you dumb ass niggas. What the fuck? You just gave me extra charges? Bro, no, 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 no. How you
Punch your
giving me
nigga,
extra
punch the air
charges,
up
my
your
nigga?
head.
Smack the fuck out that bald ass head.
Wait, 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 wait,
Bitch
wait,
ass
wait.
nigga.
How did I get extra charges?
How the fuck, bro? Get the fuck up, bro. Let me
Yo,
out,
how
bro.
did I get? I'm not going in that room. I'm not going in that room. I'm not going in
Hey,
that
bro,
room. I'm
open
not
the
going in
door.
that room. I'm not going
Open
in
the
that
door,
room.
Bobby.
Come back. Don't let this
I'm not
nigga
going in
move.
this
He
room. I'm not
stuck.
going in this room. I'm
Bridge
not
you
going in that room.
Ain't no
I'm not
way
going
shit
in
Hey,
this
going
room.
on.
run,
I'm not
Bando,
going in this
run.
room.
God damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fuck all y'all doing in
Yeah,
jail?
smack your stanky
I
ass.
Bro,
Fuck
just
why
that,
you
seen
got
nigga.
me in this room,
Hey,
bro?
Bobby, come open the door.
To my buddy, him,
Come
Lil
open the
Jeffy.
door,
Your ass
Bobby.
a goofy.
Bobby,
Wait,
come
wait, yo,
open the door
bro.
before I
Why
kill you.
did you give me 3 extra charges?
bitch ass nigga.
Bobby, come
Punching
open the
this
door
bitch
before I
ass
shoot
nigga
you.
in jail. You get in jail, nigga. You can't do shit about it.
Damn, Bando, brother, he got you in the room. Oh, nah.
No, Bando.
Hey,
Ain't no way.
close your booty hole. He got Bando in the room. Nah, it's over.
Hey,
Hey,
Bando,
Jeff,
close that
remember?
booty
Hey,
hole.
Jeff.
Jonathan might try to stick his fingers in it.
We saw
Yo,
somebody
bro,
go in
how are
that
you
room.
giving me extra charges?
Hey, Bando, stop
Fuck me.
snitching.
None of
I
y'all
stop
go to
snitching.
jail.
Hey, let me out this
Hey,
bitch, bro.
Bando, stop ratting, man. Stop ratting, man. Stop ratting in that
How
little
the
room,
fuck
man.
none of y'all in up
Hey,
in
Hey,
Bobby,
jail?
stop
let me
ratting.
out.
Hey, Bando, stop ratting, man.
Fuck you, rat.
Hey, stop
Yeah,
ratting. Say no
tomorrow you
comment.
the only
Say
rat.
no comment. Say no comment. Say no comments.
Hey,
Don't ask
open
me
the door,
questions.
Bobby. Bro, open the door, Bobby, before I kill you when you come out the door.
I am fresh home, man. I'm
You gotta
fresh
put your
home.
ass in mode.
Hey, Bando
OG
Sim.
in, bro.
Hey, Bando Sim. Don't rat in there, man. Tell them, hey, tell them
Oh,
no
y'all
comment.
say, oh, okay.
Tell them no
Y'all
comment.
say,
Tell them no
y'all
comment. No
say.
comment.
I'ma still
Yo,
kill
bro, how
Bobby
are
ass.
you giving me all these charges? What the
Yeah,
fuck?
eat them charges, boy.
Bro, I just had 2 charges. I got
Good.
9.
Good. Good. Hope you get life. Hope you get life.
Yo,
Hey, look,
bro.
God.
We talk about
You in
life,
here
and
because
you
you like
get
playing
this
people
bitch more
booty
than
hole, bitch.
anybody, yo, bro.
Yo,
No
bro, yo,
cap.
this nigga is
Ain't no
violating.
nigga trolling in jail.
That nigga said, I hope you get life. What the fuck?
Boy,
Stop snitching.
I'm trying.
Hey, Bando, stop snitching, man.
You gotta get out of jail.
Yo, bro, this nigga is giving me mad charges, bro.
Yeah, yeah, good, good.
This nigga is
Get life.
corrupt.
Give 25 to
Yo,
life.
this nigga is
Hey, I ain't gonna
corrupt.
lie, bro.
Give him the chair. Give him the chair.
Bro, Bobby, get this nigga out of here, bitch.
Give Bando the chair, man. Fuck it.
Man, shut up, man, before I kill you before you go out the door.
I give